Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss about your next topic, that is chapter number 6, soil. In earlier lectures, we have discussed that earth is made up of rock and it is also made up of soil. Now, in this chapter, we are going to discuss about how is soil made up of, what are the different layers of soil, formation of soil, soil erosion, and how to conserve soil and how to stop soil erosion. Now, first of all, what is soil? You know that earth is made up of rock and soil also. But what is soil? Soil is softer than rock. It is not hard as rock. It is made up of very small particles in which plants grow. Soil is made up of clay, slate, rock particles, also some organic matter which provide plants with the nutrients, water and minerals which they need to grow. It also gives shelter to the very small microbes, very microorganisms and many small animals. So basically earth is made up of the soil which helps the plants to grow, which contains all the nutrients, water and minerals which are required by the plant to grow. It is also the shelter of many microorganisms and many small animals like earthworms. What is organic matter? It is contained of dead plants and animals which is commonly called as humus. Soil particles, clay particles and rock particles have spaces in between them which holds the air and water into it. That's how it is very suitable for the plants to grow. Now, soil is made up of three layers. In this diagram, we can see there are different type of soil layers, and we have discussed that there are three type of layers, that is topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. First one is the uppermost layer is topsoil, which consists of an organic layer on which the plants grow. This one is the organic layer. This layer is organic layer in which this one is the organic layer in which the plants grow. That topmost layer of the topsoil is called organic layer. Now this layer contains humus, that is the dead remains of the plants and animals, which is very suitable for the plants to grow. All the plants grow in this. This topsoil is very important because it helps the plant to grow in it and also absorbs the rainwater which goes underground, which goes to the underground water. Now, second one is subsoil. The layer below the topsoil is called subsoil. Subsoil contains mostly mineral and a very small part of humus, and only the deepest plant roots reaches the subsoil. So subsoil is the second most layer and it contains only minerals and a little bit of humus. Only the deepest roots reaches the subsoil. Next one is your bedrock. This is the parent material and afterwards it is the bedrock where only rocks and gravels are present. In this layer, only rocks are present and above that there are very small rocks and soil which are further converted into the soil which goes into this subsoil. Bedrock is found in 1 to 2 meter depth of the earth. It is the last layer of the soil. Afterwards, only there are rocks present. So these are the layers of the soil. First one is the topsoil, which contains organic layer on which plants grow. And in topsoils, humus is mainly present, which helps the plants to grow. Also, it absorbs water, which further goes down to the groundwater. Next one is your subsoil. Subsoil is the second most layer. in which minerals are present and a little bit amount of humus is also present. The deepest roots of the plant are present in the subsoil. Afterwards, there is bedrock, in which this is the parent material, which is consisting of small rocks and soils. Afterwards, there is a bed of rocks. Only rocks are present there. Okay, class, this will be all for today. Thank you for listening.